Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CBS 2 exam. Question number 20 is if x raised power n minus p y raised power n plus q z raised power n is divisible by x square plus ab yz minus bzx minus axy, then what is p by a raised power n minus q by b raised power n equal to? Option A minus 1, option B 0, option C 1 and option D 2. So here it is given that x raised power n minus p by raised power n and q z raised power n is divisible by this. So we will take this and factorize it, and that equation will also divide this. Okay, so first of all we take this x square plus abyz minus bzx minus axy. So taking this and taking common x from d2, so it will be x bracket x minus b, and now this minus axy plus abyz, we can take common ay x minus bz. Okay, so now x minus bz is common in both, so factors are x minus ay and x minus bz. So as this is divisible by this equation and its factors are this, so these factors also divide this. So this equation can be written as this multiplied by k, or we can say x minus bz into x minus a by into k. K is the term after dividing this by this x minus bz and x minus a by. Okay, so this can be written as x raised power n minus p by raised power n plus q z raised power n is equal to x minus bz within bracket x minus a by within bracket into p. So if we put x is equal to bz, then right hand side will be 0. Okay, and this will be your bz raised power n, and this will be p minus p by raised power n plus q z power n. And if we put x is equal to ay, then it will be a by raised power n minus p by raised power n plus q z raised power n. Okay, so now if we compare these two equations, these last two terms are same. It means first term will also be same. So that means b raised power n z raised power n is equal to a raised power n y raised power n. Okay, now we will again take equation 2 and divide whole equation by b z raised power n. So this will be 1 then, and this will be p by raised power n divided by b raised power n z raised power n, and this will be q z raised power n divided by b raised power n z raised power n is equal to 0. So z n will cancel out, so it will be q by b raised power n, and this b and g and z raised power n can be written as a n y a raised power n y raised power n, and y raised power n will cancel out, so it will be p by a raised power n. So this equation will be 1 minus p by a raised power n plus q by b raised power n. Okay, so now we can take it on right hand side. So this will be or this on left hand side. So this will be p by a raised power n minus q by b raised power n is equal to 1. So this is required. So answer is option C. The value of this is 1